guys, how are you today? All right, as always, thank you for following us. Today, I'm gonna show you my precious. Those actually are my favorite tomato, the best. All right, gourmet is a great tomato. Roma is a great tomato. But this, the Oxheart, it's a fantastic tomato. The Otello, it's an unbelievable tomato. Flavor and the way to eat. You remember we spoke a few months ago and we said I will show you how I prefer to eat it. And here I am. You're taking the Oxheart, you're taking the Oxheart. I love it.
I love it. I love it.
You slice it and make sure that the slice is nice and thick. Like a sort of a little steak. That's why Oxheart or beef steak, they call it this tomato. Nice, like this, before I cut. Hopefully I don't cut my fingers. Same with the Otello. Beautiful. Now the Otello, you figure out this is nice and red and this is a bit green around the shoulders, a little bit inside. Don't you worry too much, just take it. The Otello eats well with whether it's green or full brownish or chocolate color. Then with the mozzarella that I cut before. And there. And there. With the basil. Or oregano you can put on. But you choose, I prefer just basil. Obviously olive oil from our farm in South Australia. Go River Farm, Capris Brothers. Olive oil as much as you want. Believe me, it's good for your heart, they say. Then vinegar, balsamic. I love vinegar. Not more than olive oil, but I still love it. Pepper, that's for sure. To get the real flavor though. The salt, it brings out the tomato flavor even more. That's what I noticed. Because I'm a nice, good Italian. Like to put even a little bit of chili on it. If you don't like chili, don't use it. And that's it. Your lunch or dinner, nice and healthy, is ready. So in the end, to present to your friends or to give to your family a nice, healthy, fresh lunch or dinner, all you need is a Oxheart, a Otello tomato, with mozzarella, basil, olive oil, vinegar, and nice, healthy, fantastic, absolute fantastic and fresh. Well, you guys are gonna pick on my belly. I can see that. So if you eat that healthy, why you got a belly like that? Because I am Italian, and after this, I'm gonna have bread with Nutella. But anyway, thank you for everything, guys. Please, if you need more suggestion or if you got any question, tap it in and send them through. I will answer to you. I got more recipe. And if you like the video, bang! Push the like. I'll talk to you later. I love you.